Okay, so for cosecant, you can, if you want to change it and put it in terms of sign, you can, which would just be putting 1 over it. I am going to do that because I'm using this calculator because I'm really recording this for Isla, and she has this calculator. She doesn't have the Inspire. This calculator doesn't have cosecant on it, so you have to put it in terms of sign. But as far as everything else, you can just do it just like you normally did it. You don't have to convert it, especially because you've got the calculator that doesn't need to. But I do need to know, where is cosecant negative? Okay. So when I finish this, my answers should be in quadrant 3 and 4, which means they need to be greater than 180 and less than 360. Both of them do, because that would put me in quadrants 3 and 4. Okay, so the problem is cosecant of theta is negative 1.235. I need to get rid of cosecant. So the only way you can get rid of something is to do the inverse. So I'm going to arc cosecant both sides, or inverse cosecant both sides. So when I plug that in this calculator, cosecant goes with sine. So I'm really arc signing, and I just put in 1 over. All right, so it gave me that theta equals negative 54.068. Now, here's my issue. Negative 54.068 is, in fact, in quadrant 4. But my instructions tell me I need a positive angle between 0 and 360. So even though I am in quadrant 4, that's not the angle I want. I want the positive coterminal angle that's in that same spot. So I have to go to my instructions for sine and figure out how I might possibly find the other 2 angles. The first thing it says is 180 minus the angle that the calculator gave me. That gives me 234.068. Is 234.068 in quadrant 3 or 4? It is. So that's one of them. All right, now I need the other one. And if I go and look at what it says about sine, it says from here I can add 360. But if I add 360 to that, it's too big. So that doesn't work.
Add 360 to negative 54.
Add 360 to negative 54. So I'm going to go back and get my negative 54 and add 360 to that. And I get 305.932, which is in quadrant 4. So now you have your 2 angles between 0 and 360. One's in quadrant 3 and one's in quadrant 4. Is everybody sort of okay? All right, so now try tangent.